the animated world of Pixar's Wall-E, a small waste-collecting robot is left to clean up an abandoned Earth, highlighting the consequences of unchecked pollution. But what if the technology depicted in Wall-E was brought to life? Imagine a future where autonomous cleanup bots take on the crucial task of maintaining our environment, helping to manage waste and keep our cities clean. Picture this: small, efficient robots patrolling the streets, parks, and oceans, tirelessly collecting trash and recycling materials. These robots would be equipped with advanced sensors and AI to identify different types of waste and sort them appropriately. With machine learning capabilities, they could adapt to different environments and optimize their routes for maximum efficiency. These autonomous cleanup bots could revolutionize waste management. In cities, they could navigate through crowded streets, picking up litter and emptying public trash cans. In coastal areas, they could clean beaches and even dive into the ocean to retrieve plastic waste and other debris. These robots could work around the clock, providing a continuous solution to pollution. Imagine these bots being solar-powered, making them environmentally friendly and reducing their carbon footprint. They could be part of a larger smart city ecosystem, communicating with other smart devices to coordinate their efforts and ensure no area is overlooked. Data collected by these robots could also help city planners understand waste patterns and develop more effective waste management strategies. Beyond just cleanup, these bots could be designed to repair infrastructure, such as filling potholes or fixing damaged street signs. They could even plant trees and maintain green spaces, contributing to a healthier and more beautiful urban environment. The impact of such technology would be immense. Autonomous cleanup bots could significantly reduce pollution, improve public health, and enhance the quality of life in urban areas. They would take on the tedious and sometimes dangerous task of waste collection, allowing humans to focus on more creative and complex tasks. The vision of a cleaner, more sustainable world, as inspired by Wall-E, is within our reach. By investing in and developing these autonomous cleanup technologies, we can tackle one of the most pressing issues of our time: pollution. It's a futuristic solution that brings together robotics, AI, and environmental science to create a better future for all. If you're passionate about innovative tech solutions for environmental issues, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more visionary content. Thanks for watching, and let's explore the future of sustainable technology together.